When children come to Park West, they quickly realize that school is a place for them.
We see what kids are interested in. And from there, we will scaffold ideas and play setups that will facilitate learning, but it's coming from their interests. We're a school that will incorporate our literacy and our math and our science into play.
Children learn by their experiences. They learn through their experimenting with materials. It isn't just about the materials that children engage in their play that change their thinking. It's in their relationships. It's their relationships with their teachers and their relationships with each other that help them build on their knowledge by experiencing what the world has to offer them.
Play is integral to our curriculum here at Park West. Set up a stimulating environment for kids where they are going to want to do the work themselves. It's really providing a space for children where they're encouraged to express their ideas.
Perseverance, empathy, self-regulation, communication skills. We're thinking about skills that will serve them into adulthood.
You could just tell the second that you walked in here just what a secure, safe, and calm space this was. They really see the child for where they're at in their development, cognitively as well as developmentally.
The aspect that I value most about Park West is their approach to attachment and separation. They really understand that children need to feel safe and secure before they can explore. And Park West understands that children need to transfer that trust from their parents to school.
For my son, Park West has really helped shape who he has become, and it's given him the confidence to grow, knowing that his ideas are taken seriously and that other kids' ideas matter too.
We are also so special because we are seated here in Lincoln Park in this beautiful award-winning building with beautiful, homey classrooms. We have an outdoor classroom as well as a gym space in the lower level of our building. Our knowledge and expertise about how children learn and develop is really unparalleled. Park West teachers participate in robust professional development every year. In addition, we have historically also been the providers of professional development, teachers and myself presenting at national conferences and for local agencies, trying to share what we understand about children and families and how they learn with the larger community of educators.
I've learned to give myself some compassion and respect when it comes to just letting my child be who they are. That I owe all to the teachers and the staff here at Park West. They are always willing to help, always willing to troubleshoot, and to even give you guidance when I'm not sure on maybe how to deal with something.
Parents get to participate in parent education events. They are thinking that they're coming just for their 3-year-old to learn how to go to school, and they leave finding that they're a better parent than when they started. Parent involvement is critical to Park West. They need to understand where their child struggles at school, where they're successful.
As an assisting parent, you come into the classroom and you're able to help with the classroom activities. Not only are you connected to the other children, but you also are beautifully connected to the teachers.
The bond that people share here is something that's really incredible to me. It's a bond not just for the children and not just for the families, but for us as teachers too.
I would say that the biggest value that the school has is community. So there's a lot of different events that happen throughout the year to build community outside of the classroom.
We connect with other Park West families so easily because we all have a shared goal, and that's putting our children's education first.
Combined with parents, our board of directors, our teachers, our staff, we're really connected together as a community that all share the same vision for families at school, and it makes us such a special place.
Park West is unlike any other
preschool because our goal is to make sure that families know that we're all working together. We're all a team.
Whether you are a teacher or a parent or a child at Park West, once you come here, you're part of the Park West family.